How to reverse an animation in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background and a rectangle mask. Attach rectangle to background and background to media out. Select the rectangle, change its width and height, and move it to the left of the screen. Move the playhead to the start of the composition and click on diamond button next to center to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 15 and drag the rectangle to the right of the screen to create the second keyframe. Now we have this animation of this box which is from left to right, but I want to easily reverse it so it will be from right to left. Open up the spline panel and check the rectangle. Click on this button to see all the keyframes, then click on this button to select all the keyframes. To reverse the animation, just click on this reverse button. And now the animation is reversed and the box moves from right to left. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.